Hi there, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Carol is back today to show us how to draw a sausage dog. These little dogs are also known as Dachshunds. They're known for their long bodies and little legs. As always, we're going to start off with some rough pencil shapes before making final lines in pen. So, let's get going! Carol is going to begin with one line which will span the length of our sausage dog from nose to bottom. Watch carefully how Carol curves this line and do your best to copy it at home. Note how the left-hand side of the line is straight. This is where the dog's head will be. Next up, Carol is going to draw some circles along her line to make sure each part of the sausage dog will be in the right place. A good tip here is to pay attention to exactly where Carol is drawing the circles. Carol is now joining the tops of the circles together. Look how the swooping line she's drawing looks like the perfect shape for a sausage dog's back. It's all coming together. Now it's time to draw a cute little snout for our sausage dog. And, like Carol does, we can curve the line under the chin and join it to the bottom of the middle circle. This is also a perfect time to give our little doggy a nose. Boop! Perfect! We'll also take this opportunity to mark where our dog's eye should go, somewhere near the middle of the left-hand circle, as well as a little line for its happy mouth. Sausage dogs have floppy ears, and we're going to add one pointing upwards to the top of the left-hand circle, with another one just hiding behind it, as if our dog is running and its ears are flopping in the wind. Carol is going to do the legs next by drawing and connecting two small circles. She's making sure the lines she uses to join the circles aren't too straight. This is a running sausage dog after all, not a stiff robot dog. Now that the front legs are outlined, a lovely swooping line for the dog's belly will do, before we move on to the back legs, and repeat the same trick we used on the front ones by drawing and connecting two smaller circles. Don't forget to draw the second back leg just behind the first. Last but not least, we'll make sure our sausage dog has a suitable tail. Perfect! We're halfway through our sausage dog picture now, so it's the perfect time to stop for a glass of water before we carry on with our final pen lines. If you're enjoying yourself, why don't you also press the subscribe button below this video to make sure you don't miss any other Twinkl Kids TV videos. Right, let's pick up our pens and finish drawing our lovely little doggo. The little bits of detail Carol is going to add here will really help make our sausage dog come alive. So, watch carefully. We're going to begin by filling in the eye and also adding a cheeky little eyebrow just above it. We'll then follow Carol down the snout and circle around the nose for good measure. After that, we'll go a little way down the chin and neck before giving those floppy ears some attention. Draw one swooping line going right down the dog's neck and back and up its tail before coming back down the other side. Look how aerodynamic he is! Now we'll move on to the cute little front legs before following our belly line and outlining the equally cute and equally little back legs. Wow! Our dog has really taken shape now. The next thing Carol wants to do is add some detail on the paws. Some little lines to show where the dog's toes are will look great, as well as lines across the dog's ankles, which will help you with colouring later. Let's add back in our dog's little smile. And also, add some detail to the ears so they look more 3D. Finally, Carol is going to add in the sausage dog's distinctive markings by drawing a line on its face and neck. Amazing! We hope that you've enjoyed learning how to draw a cute sausage dog with Carol today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more fantastic drawing tutorials. See ya!